Hey guys, you know what I'm excited about? I got a present. So it's actually in his bag right now. My fiance gave me what I'm waiting for, a stabilizer. It's not upside down. Okay, this one. I'm so happy to have this. It's a SteadyGo electric stabilizer. And in this video, I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna tell you all the what do you call this? The specification of this device. So are you ready for it?
Yeah.
Let's watch this. You're so fast.
So check it out here. You can move it up and down, down, up, left, and then right. Alright, let's move it back down again. Alright. This right here, if you download the app, you can actually take photos through this thing right here. Hold this power button down and turn it off. See? Now it's off. So let's turn it back on. Hold it down again. Pretty cool, right? Now the other thing is, not sure what this button does here, but there's a little scrolling thing here, okay? And it all has to do with whenever you walk around, right? And you turn left or right. It will limit how fast or how slow it turns with you, right? So right now it's on the all the way up position. So if you look around here, right? If I turn here, it turns with you, right? If I turn all the way down, it should be very slow to react. See that? So essentially, this kind of you're trying to tell this. The stabilizer is trying to tell you, hey, you want me to be looking in one direction all the time, or do you want me to move with you whichever direction you go while still stabilizing, right? So go here in the middle, scroll it back up, maybe just a tad bit down again, and as we move around, it will turn with you, but you have to scroll this all the way up. It's not labeled here, but it's actually in the instructions. And yeah, and I'm not sure what that button at the top does. It's in the instructions. Pretty cool, right? Now we learned. I just learned something today that I had no idea about this stabilizer. What this scrolly thing did. I thought it was just a gimmick, but actually really, really effective. And it makes your recording a lot more effective. Now, the thing you want to keep in mind is that with the stabilizer, you don't want to do like jerky movements, even though it will stabilize them. Especially if you have the setting here all the way up, right? If you want to scroll it down and you want to do the jerky movements, 1 second. It will minimize it a lot. But anyway, it's kind of stupid what I'm doing right now. But you get the point.
So I'm using it right now and my phone is in this stabilizer, and thank you so much for the product review, Mr. Gordienko, which is my fiance over there, and we are ready to go. We're actually going to Taiwan. So for more information about the device the stabilizer that I got, I'll put the description down below. And aside from it's a good quality, it lasts 4 hours, and more of the specs are in the description, so check that out. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.